A lot of y'all may have seen my video where my winch support broke the other day, and I showed how the welds, it didn't look like it had a very good weld down here on the bottom plate. Now, I started to try to repair it myself with a small MIG welder that I have, but I wasn't able to get the good penetration. So I took it to a guy that does some professional welding. He also welded the cavitation plate on my motor, so I know he's a really good welder. And anyways, so I took it to him. He welded it up for me, and he ran several beads in here, and he actually told me that he has seen quite a few of these break. And he said part of the problem is that the bottom support here is a thicker metal than the tube. So a lot of times when they're welded, that they weld to the tube and they don't get the penetration in the bottom plate. So he said when he did his weld, he made sure to, you know, focus on the bottom plate and then to kind of bring the tube into it. Made several passes. And now I did ask him about that. He had seen quite a few of these, and I asked him if it was a certain boat trailer manufacturer, and he said no, that he had just seen that, you know, quite a few of these on different trailer models and makes where they were weak and broke right there. So if you have a boat trailer, and take a look at your winch support, and you might look at that. If you notice any cracking, keep an eye on it, and you may want to have it welded up so it's secure. Because as you can see, this holds your boat from the front. Now there are a couple of straps on the back that will help it to stay on your trailer, but this is your main support, so it's important that it be strong and hold up. And if you do see some issues, I'd recommend taking it off and taking it to a professional welder and having it fixed up.